Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now, students, start our today's session. Today we are going to learn about air. Students, do you know the importance of air? Air is very important to us as we breathe with the air. If there is no air, then we can't breathe, and without breathe we can't live. Now students, to clear this concept, now students, close your nose for a few seconds. Then what you will observe that it's difficult to live without air. And now students, you open your nose, and now what you will observe that you will feel relaxed and you can easily inhale and exhale. Through this, students, you have learned that air is important for us to live. If there is no air, we can't live. Students, let's do one more activity to clear it. Now students, you should lay down on the bed or any table like this. After that students, you will take breath and observe your chest. You will observe that your chest will be moved up and down as you breathe. When your breath in your chest will go up and down. When your breath out from your chest will come down like this. Now students, open your book. I Can Achieve a Phonic Booklet 2. Open page number 52. Here students, you read OR sound words. Firstly, read the words and practice writing them. CORN, corn. HORN, horn. FOR, FORK, fork. PORT, port. SORT, salt. SHORT, short. SPORT, sport. Now students, open page number 53. Here students, you read AW words. JAW, job. LAW, law. FAWN, phone. LAWN, long. PAW, paw. RAW, raw. CRAWL, crawl. SAW, saw. Like this. Now students, let's do an activity of making a kite. For this activity students, have a sheet of paper, scissor, watercolor, sellotape, etc. Students, firstly you will draw a kite on the sheet of paper. Students, cut carefully. Take help of your parents for cutting. Scissor is very sharp thing. Very good. Cut a small triangle. Very good. Very good. After that, you will color it with the straw like this. You will have to dip the straw in the water and color the whole kite. After that, students, very good. After that, the other side of straw like this. Paste the straw like this. Very good. Now students, your kite is ready for flying. Now students, open page number 51. Here students, you draw a line from each picture to match the following words. First picture is a picture of a pot. Firstly, we read the words pot, pot, cot, cot, dot, dot. The picture is a picture of pot, so match it with pot, pot, pot. Second picture is a picture of mop. Find out the word mop, hop, hop, top, top, mop, mop. Mop is here, so match it with mop. Third picture is a picture of log. Firstly, read the words fog, fog, bog, bog, log, log. So match the picture log with the word log, log, log. Fourth picture is a picture of dog. Read the words dog, dog, hog, hog, jog, jog. So match the picture dog with dog, dog. Fifth picture is a picture of rob. Firstly read R-O-B, rob, J-O-B, job, C-O-B, cob. So match the picture of rob with R-O-B, rob. Sixth picture is a picture of box. Firstly read F-O-X, fox, B-O-X, box, O-X, ox. So match the picture box with the word box, B-O-X, box. Students, do carefully. Now students, open your book. I Can Achieve a Workbook. Open page number 46. Here students, we can write HUT, hut, NUT, nut, CUP, cup. Trace and write. Say the word as you write. Student, which picture is this? This is the picture of a hut. HUT, hut. So write here hut. Next picture is a picture of nut. NUT, nut. So firstly trace, after write here NUT, nut. Third picture is a picture of a cup. CUB, cup. Firstly trace CUB, cup, and after that write here CUB, cup. Now open page number 47. Here students, we can write CUP, cup, BUD, bud, MUD, mud. Here students, we also trace and write. Say the word as you write. In this page, the first picture is a picture of cup. CUP, cup. Trace and write cup. Second picture is a picture of bud. BUD, bud. Trace and write BUD, bud. Third picture is a picture of mud. MUD, mud. So trace and write MUD, mud. Now students, open page number 51. Here students, you draw a line from each picture to the matching them. Now students, let's do an activity. For this activity, students have some shapes of different sizes. Students, you will have to arrange them in descending order of their size like this. Do you understand, students? Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss with them what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch, children. Do your work. Play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning, kids. Stay at home. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you.